So after 15 years, finally decided to straighten this section of the wall all the way down here. I went knock that down. So I got knocked down, well, dismantle this part and all the way around here. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm going to start taking apart the wall now. I'm going to start first with taking the coping stones off. And to do that, one of these and one of these. And you may need a smaller one of these, just in case. So you get underneath it like that, and then just start hitting it. As easy as that. Now, if you're reusing these like I am, but I don't think I will be reusing this one, but just as a demonstration, you just get your chisel in like that, and your hammer, and it just comes off. See? Easy as pie. Obviously you shouldn't be doing against that if you really want to reuse the bricks, because you might damage them. I like to live dangerously. So after you've gotten the remaining residue off, you can reuse that and put that back on with the new wall. But I'm not reusing that one probably, so neither here nor there really.